I like to tell people that streaming was like alongside of my like self-development journey, like really almost congruently, you know? So a lot of the stuff I was doing initially was just like I was playing Apex and stuff like that. I was playing Call of Duty, Minecraft and stuff, just stuff I was interested in. And
Nice.
as I grew my stream, I found more and more things that brought new people in, more things that sort of like excited me in different ways. I started trying new things that sort of like excited me and I guess I don't know the word for it, but inspired my creativity, you know, like in ways that was just different from just gaming, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. And so, like, at what point did you start going more towards like the community games, like you said, like the Gartic phone and the Minecraft servers and stuff like that?
So I was always doing the Minecraft server. The Minecraft server has always been there as a part of the stream, as a way that that we could sort of incorporate people who are already in the community or a part of the community we're building through Minecraft, to have a place where everybody could come together and sort of like share at least one game everybody could play together, you know.
I like that.
Um,
Yeah.
so that was always there. So honestly, the community aspect has always been a big part of my at least my stream. The Gartic recently started up within the past month. I just decided, hey, why don't I try this out? And I think it really allowed me to sort of push forward another creative aspect of myself and of the community as well. Like people who like to come in and share their art. We meet a lot of artists through there too. I know a lot of streamers need artists, right? Like, you know, you
Yeah,
need
true. That's
emotes,
smart.
you need branding stuff. You meet a lot of people through Gartic who are really, really good at art and are looking for to commission themselves. So,
That's
you
smart.
know, and it builds the community even further. I allow self promo. I don't allow self promo in my Discord, but I do allow self promo for artists because I think art is dope. And I'm not personally an artist, you know, it doesn't really conflict in that way, you know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I love to build that around our artists.
Yeah, I agree with that. I mean, art is crazy, and I was never an artist either, so I always love seeing people's art. But that's a pro tip: play Gartic Phone on stream and find yourself an artist.
Hey, we be thinking a little bit like if you look up here, we got two artists here. Like if you check, I mean, Mary Goon came through the stream. Mary Goon did this one, and another VTuber actually, tall as your Nichan, did this one up here. And
That's
I mean, you know,
insane.
yeah,
Holy!
Onyx came up with the idea for this character, which we use consistently on our stream too.
Oh my
So
god, I love that.
it's a massive
Okay,
part of our stream.
good pro tip. I'm taking notes. I'm taking notes. I love it. I love it, man. Cool, dude. So, I mean, what are your goals with streaming? Like, are you gonna continue this as, you know, as you're doing it, as much time that you're gonna put into it, and, you know, see where it goes, or are you looking really to go in full time? Because I think it's an important question to ask. You know, especially when I talk to streamers or try to help them out or whatever it is, that it kind of like changes the conversation a little bit. You know, changes
Yeah.
the thinking, and I think for everybody listening, it would be cool to know like what's your plans. You know, are you looking to go full time? Are you looking to make this a full time career? And if it is, you know, to go full time, are you really focusing on the streaming aspect, or are you looking more broader scope like content creator?
Overall, the most fun I have right now is streaming, but I think as I develop my stream and my content on other platforms, that I've been enjoying more the content creation aspect. Like I really enjoy making shorts and skits and stuff like that. And doing different I want to get into making YouTube full length YouTube videos and stuff like that.
Do it.
I think having multiple aspects to it also, you know, like people tell you to diversify all the time, but I
Right.
think enjoying every aspect is a really big part of it too. So I'm just finding
True.
ways to enjoy all of it, you know,
Yeah.
and obviously become you know, full time, be able to do it full time and sustain myself financially. I think is the main goal. But how that happens is kind of like up in the air, you know, like once you get down to the like financial aspect, like you need a lot of different avenues to sort of make it work. I think
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, I agree.